crispy skin for the salmon, therefore. And here I just put sous vide my chicken breast. Okay. We have the proper probe to cook sous vide. Okay. So we have this one and the other one. Okay. This is just for sous vide. As I told you before, in the train trays we turn off the beeping, but this one is keep beeping to advise you that the recipe is finished.
That is finished?
Yes.
Okay.
So here we are, you see. I got my chicken breast cooked.
Yep.
Okay, with the probe. So I set at the end of our cooking 75 degrees. So inside is 75 degrees.
Inside at 75,
yes,
yeah.
Supposed to go to the blast chiller, okay? But because we're going to have okay quickly, okay, I'm not gonna put on
the blast chiller, yeah.
So we're going to start with the fish dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gratinate these scallops, baby scallops. Okay, we are going to steam these prawns. Okay, and I'm going to grill some salmon. Here we are. And I'm going to regenerate some octopus. Okay, this one I cooked yesterday. This one I cooked yesterday.
And then blast.
Yeah,
freeze
because it takes 1 hour and a half. Actually, it depends the timing, but usually I cook sous vide for 5 hours.
Yep.
Otherwise, for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Wait, chicken. Okay. So I'm just going to put this one in English. Okay, so 2 minutes this one. So here we're going to gratin this one
scallops
and grill the salmon.
Grill the salmon.
Okay, at the same time.
Okay.
The straight for that.
And in this one we are going first to cooking the
Steaming the prawns?
steam the prawns and
Yep.
then to regenerate the octopus.
Okay.